the Screaming Eagle from that one site, remember I was looking at, right? And I can't get like the measurement, if you do one measurement, like the fixed lines where they tell you how things are, you go from one to the other and those don't agree, those are off by a meter. And then they get the ride to be like 40 feet tall. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, you got it, yep. You're just dividing by, that's right. Divide by 3,600, that's right. Yeah, give me units, that's the whole point. That's right. Right, so then the ride is 40 feet tall? I don't think so. I just don't think it is. I think they had to have made a smaller version. I think it's 30, 25, 30-ish, maybe. Right? I wish it was 40 feet tall.
That would be outstanding.
Yeah. Yeah. 40. Yeah, you got it. If it really went 22 meters in the air, if it really went 22 meters in the air, you would be times, whoops, you would actually be 72 feet at the highest point. I don't think so. I would love to ride that ride. That's right, but I don't think we have that ride. Wouldn't that be fun, though? Yeah, you got it. Yeah, it's 0.0125. It's an 80th, basically, right? Yeah. Okay, so the next concept is that if you want to find the distance in parsecs, right, it's just 1 divided by the angle in arc seconds. So convert the angle to arc seconds. They all will be, by the way, in arc seconds, but I imagine we could think of some situation, right? And then, so if it's degrees, divide by 3,600, right? And then 1 over that is the distance in parsecs. So basically you just have to use the 1 over button in your calculator. Go 1 over 0.12. So 1 over that angle is the distance in parsecs. Now if you've taken like trigonometry, your spidey sense should be telling you that you should use a trig function to find that distance, shouldn't you? Like tangent or something, shouldn't you? Seems like you should, but we're not. And so we're going to address the question of, do we really need to or not? Yeah. Yeah.
Wait for unit.
Yep.
PC.
Sure. Google thinks it should be PC. If you tell it PC, it will. That's right. Yep. 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 You got it. Danny Anderson. Danny Anderson. No brain vacation. Yeah, you got it. Would you get out a calculator and go 1 over 0.12? Could you calculate what 1 over 0.12 is? That's right. Yeah, you got it. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Danny. Can you do this for me? I'm waiting for you. Je t'attends. Do you have a calculator? C'est facile.
Are you all in?
We're just using the formula 1 over the parallax angle, right? I am bored. All right. So 1 divided by 0.12. Write it on your whiteboard. Show me the answer. Put the right units on it.
get rich and then be good at the rich stuff. Oh, I know, dude. How am I like? So you walk in bench like 130. Seasonal end, like on the 24th. I'm gonna have like
Yeah, PC. It's parsecs.
next Tuesday. I know, dude. I'm gonna have like seriously, like no joke, like a week to like get back into shape. You should just work on squats. No, not squats, bench.
Are we ready for the next one? You got it.
Like naturally, like my squats. My
Holy cow.
bench is gonna be bad. What's your squat?
If a star is 89 parsecs away, what's its parallax angle in arcseconds? So now I'm telling you what this is. What's that one? Oh. One over that, I believe. Maybe. No, not even one over that. It's just 1 over 89.
That's it? It's that easy.
Yeah, it's that easy.
I could write that down.
Yeah, you got it.
You don't get the
There you go. Give it units though. Make it like arc seconds. Put like, people don't say seconds. They don't say S. They say either the thing like that or they say arc seconds. That's right. Give me some units. Yeah. You got it. Yep.
I'm too busy about being exact.
Yeah, what is that? That's right. That's right. I can't read that. Write it a little bigger.
I just divided 1 over 89.
Huh? Did you write seconds? You did. Bless you, my child. Yes, yes. Ta ta. All right, so let me just do an example on this sheet. If you look, it gives an example. It says a star is an annual parallax of 0.037, right? What is its distance in parsecs? How far away is it in kilometers, right? And there's two ways we can do this, and let me just show you, okay? The first way is that we can just use our formula to solve this, right? So if the parallax angle, if that thing is 0.037 like this, then the distance is just simply 1 over 0.037, which is, if I use my ghetto calculator, okay, 1 divided by 0.037 is 27 parsecs, right? Are we good so far? Okay. Matthew Sahibi, would you just come on, trot on down here, just sit right in the front, because I just want you especially to learn this, okay? So that's 27 parsecs. The second, and then the question is how far away is that in kilometers? Well, one parsec is 3.086 kilometers, and I'm using the times 10 to the 13th, right? So a parsec is just a boatload, gentlemen, hello? A parsec is just a boatload of kilometers, right? Okay, so I'm just pulling a conversion out of the hat. There it is, right? So our distance in kilometers is 27 times 3.086 times 10 to the 13th kilometers. Let's see if this thing does scientific notation. Does it? I don't know. Okay, so times 3.086. Eng. Do you suppose eng is what it is? Don't know. Nope, that didn't work. All right, I need one of my calculators back. There we go. All right, so there we go. So thank you for having it on there. Okay, so that is 3.086 e to the 13th, and this is kilometers, right? So we're getting that star is actually 8.3 times 10 to the 14th kilometers, right? So that's the answer. Write that in your little example thing, okay? You don't necessarily need to write down what I'm about to do, but I know that there's some people in there that are saying, gee, 1 over angle is not distance